Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase someone from a picture. First, identify the person you wish to remove from your photograph. Next, select an appropriate photo editing application, whether it's on your phone or computer. Finally, grasp the fundamental techniques of object removal, which often involve replacing the unwanted area with surrounding pixels. This process can transform your image, making it look as if the person was never there, enhancing the overall composition and focus of your shot. Many modern photo editing applications offer powerful artificial intelligence features to simplify this task. Begin by opening your image in an AI-powered editor. Then, use a brush or lasso tool to carefully select the person you want to erase. The AI will then analyze the surrounding pixels and intelligently fill in the background, often achieving remarkable results with minimal effort. This method is particularly effective for complex backgrounds, saving you significant time and ensuring a seamless edit. For more control, or when AI tools struggle, manual techniques like the clone stamp and healing brush are invaluable. The clone stamp tool allows you to copy pixels from one area and paint them over another, perfect for replicating textures. The healing brush blends surrounding pixels to seamlessly cover imperfections. Remember to work in small, iterative steps, adjusting brush size and opacity as needed. This meticulous approach ensures a natural and undetectable removal, especially for intricate details or challenging backgrounds. To achieve the most natural-looking results, always zoom in closely on your image to make precise selections and edits. Pay careful attention to matching the lighting and shadows of the surrounding background, as inconsistencies can reveal your edit. Consider the texture and patterns of the area you are filling. Finally, save your work frequently throughout the process to prevent any loss of progress. With these tips, your edited photos will look professional and completely natural.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.